What's up, homies? Jackson Wilkie here with the Channel Junkies. Today, we're going to be introducing you to a 5-part series. So we're going to build out your entire real estate marketing plan. Now, what we have to do is figure out who you are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build out 2 separate marketing plans because I know that not every agent is the same. There's going to be strengths and weaknesses for both of them. So you're going to be able to find one of these plans that works, or at least be able to leverage one of these to create your own plan. So what we're going to be doing today is building out what's called a SWOT analysis. Now, you might be wondering what a SWOT analysis is and if it's even important for real estate, but what a SWOT analysis really stands for: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. That's going to be very interesting. So what is a SWOT analysis and what does it do? It's a technique for assessing these 4 aspects of your business. It's a tool that can help you analyze what your company does best now and to devise a successful strategy for the future. So I just got done on a stage speaking, and there was agents there who do upwards of 500 to 1,000 homes a year. And this is the exact thing that we talked about, how they found their strengths, eliminated weaknesses, and they were able to do this. So what I'm going to do is build out 2 of them. One of the strengths is going to be video/social. This is kind of my category. So what I'm going to do is build you out a SWOT analysis of a social media marketing plan, right? The next one is, there's a lot of agents who don't like doing social. They don't like that attention. They hate the way they sound. They hate the way they look. Don't do it then, right? This is going to be a relationship business, okay? So what a relationship style real estate business would be was more of working in your community to get community events, or another one would be to get agent referrals. So I met 2 people this weekend. One of them did the community relationship. She's gonna close 500 homes this year. And another gal was doing $50 million in sales by leveraging real estate agent relationships. So what I'm going to do is build out 2 different marketing plans, and then we will actually give you some examples of exactly how to do those right after we're done. So number 1, we're gonna work on the strengths. Top is going to be video social media, bottom will be relationships, so we'll go SR, and we'll go SV for video, okay? So social media and video, what we're gonna talk about with strengths right here was my exact strength. I noticed that over 90% of realtors, they hated social media and video, the way they sound. So my strength was I really didn't have a fear of doing video, right? I did not have a fear of putting myself out there. Another strength of mine, which wasn't a strength at first, but I was kind of fluent, or at least I was very knowledgeable of social. So if this is really you, somebody who leverages Instagrams, Facebooks, and you know your way around really well, or you've shot some video in the past, you really don't care if you're on video or not, then this is going to be a marketing plan that you will be able to follow. Now, down here, relationship, your strength is basically the polar opposite. You hate the way you sound, look, all that stuff, I've seen it, but your strength is you're so good with people, okay? If you get in front of people, you're very good. The other thing that you have a strength of, which I didn't, and we're gonna talk about, is the ability to ask for the business. Ask for business. Every single person who does a relationship style business, it comes natural to them to just ask for the business, right? And I couldn't do this. So my strength with video was putting myself out there, but I also had to be able to get people to call me, because once I got in front of people and I had those very tough conversations, that's where I failed. So these are very simple. You're gonna go through this and really put your strengths. So some of my other strengths was editing. I knew how to edit. Another strength of mine was, charisma, I guess you would call it. I don't even know if that's how you spell it, but I have a lot of character. I have a lot of energy, right? So I'm very energy driven, and this just really plays out in social media because it's going to be daily. You've got to do this stuff all day, every day. And I really, another strength of mine is I had no real fear to fail on video. I just kept doing it and doing it. Now, these people have an even bigger, strength of fear to fail, right? They will just get in front of people over and over. So their strength is not fear, it's fear to fail. I'm just putting this down here too. And again, giving you some examples. So with relationship, these people have no fear to fail when they get in front of people. So this is fear to fail with vids, and this is fear to fail with people. Thank you for watching on the Channel Junkies channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that so you don't miss any of these other videos in this series. And make sure you check out Channel Junkie University at channeljunkies.com.